G'day everyone, it's the very last day of the cod season. It is Monday the 31st of August. I'm down the Ovens River in Wangaratta with my dad just to see if we can fluke a late season cod on the final day. Hey you! You're watching Robbie Fishing. Righto, same old system. I've got the worm rod here, the cheese rod there. And I'm not going to go out very far because there's a lot of current. The river's still very high after rain, that last lot of rain. And same with the cheese rod. I'm just going to put that nice and close, just out there. Yeah, the river's still quite high after the last lot of rain, but we have caught a couple of cod in it since it peaked, so we're in with a chance. There he goes, look, 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 look. Dad's going to catch a fish here. Just I thought he was on there then, the way he was pulling. He is, look. Oh. He's just packed up and he's about to go home and he's hooked a fish. Well, you might have yourself a keeper. I have. I've got a bloody keeper, alright. Oh my God. I'll get down there and net it for you.
Oh, don't you go in the bloody drink, the fish isn't worth it, mate.
It's alright.
Get him up a bit.
I've just fallen flat on my ass, but that's okay. Here you go, lure him into the big super net. You beauty!
Go in.
Don't worry about me. There you go, how good's that? You're just about to go home and you got yourself a keeper. We'll get a measurement, just watch out your rod there. Take a bit of pressure off. We're going to take, can I get a photo of you with it? Righto folks, now that was a little bit of catch and release. Dad, catch it in the river, release it into the esky. Now I know a few of you are going to be a little bit upset about that, but just be mindful that a lot of people still do keep a feed of cod and no laws were broken. And it's actually the first cod Dad's kept all season and he'd done it on the last day and I couldn't be happier for him. And the funny thing is, he packed up, he'd put his chair away, put everything away and left the rod till last, then he caught a fish. And now he's that excited that he's put his rod back in and he's getting his chair back out. Have a look at the rod and reel that Dad caught his fish on. That's a 7-foot long rod, custom made by Kevin Law, who the late Kevin Law made one of my other rods that you see me use quite often, with a really old Abu with line that's probably been on it for about 25 years. Like father, like son. Done the job perfectly. If you look really closely down there, you'll see someone moving. That's Brett. Brett's worked all day and with about 20 minutes of daylight left he's decided to sneak down the river on his way home from work. It's the last day of the cod season and he doesn't want to miss out on his last opportunity. Dad went home about half an hour ago and I've been here for 3 hours and haven't had a single nibble. You wouldn't believe this, Brett's on. He's the guru. I'm not even puffed, Brett. He's a bloody ripper. Oh shit, I didn't bring me net. I never even thought to grab it. Do you want me to go back and get it? I don't think it'll reach down that far anyway, to be quite honest. Yeah, nah. It's not like you got much choice. Well done, bro. If you want to hold him up, I'll get a pic for you if you like. There we go folks, Brett has just caught his last, what might be his last cod for the season unless he gets another one in the next 10 or 15 minutes. Absolute beauty, around about 50 centimetres, yeah, give or take a little bit. There we go, yeah. Great stuff, Brett. You're unbelievable. I've been sitting there for 3 hours and I haven't had a nibble, but everyone around me is catching all these fish.
I've been here like 15 minutes.
Look up there on the bridge, we've got some onlookers. That's Jaden from J Cod Fishing. He's got his own YouTube channel, J Cod Fishing. Wangaratta's biggest junior legend. No worries, buddy, you take care. Go and put some warm clothes on before you catch pneumonia. Getting a bit of a nibble here. Take it, take it, take it. Should have struck then, he's still there. Got him. I'm on, bro. Onto a snag. Maybe I haven't got him. Maybe the weight that I was feeling wasn't what I thought it was. I've been watching everybody else catch fish all afternoon and I think I just got a bit excited. Here we go, here we go. Come on, take it. Oh, that was a bit better of a pull. Give it a decent bite. There it goes. Oh. Got him. I got him this time, bro. Yeah, not very big. There you go, folks. I've watched everyone else catch cod all night. Now it's my turn. It's a lovely little something. It's about 30 centimetres. Is it a Murray or a trout cod? I can't tell. It's a Murray cod. It's a lovely little Murray cod of around 30 centimetres. Caught just on dark. It's not a fishless trip for me. It hasn't been a fishless trip for anyone. I get a quick measure on a photo and I put him back. You beauty. Righto folks, I'm getting a bite on this other rod here. I've got him. I'm not going to worry about the photo of that cod because I've got another one. No, I haven't. It's gone into a snag. He's on there. I can feel him kicking. I was trying to get a photo with the fish I just caught and the other rod got a nice bite. But I think he's gone under a snag. Rightio folks, well that's it from me, the last session of the season. It's been a weird season. It started off really good. I had a great opening, then it was good for the first couple of weeks, and then it just turned to crap when we had one of the hottest summers on record, then the bushfire, and then the first lot of COVID lockdown and we couldn't go fishing. It's been really tough, but it has ended on an absolute high note. I've had a blast today and I was just so stoked to see my old man catch a really nice fish that he can take home for a feed. Thank you very much for watching. If you've liked this video, want to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video.